Here is how you can remove a TikTok video without losing likes. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video, we will discuss if you can delete TikTok videos without losing likes. So let's start. First of all, open TikTok and log into your account. After you log into your account, go to your profile. Then after you will find the videos that you have uploaded. Now in order to remove the video without losing likes, what you can do is tap on the specific video that you want to remove. Then after tap on the three dots, scroll below in the options and go to privacy settings. Then after select the visibility to only me. You can see that the video has been removed from my general profile section. However, let me remind you that the video has not been actually deleted. So in this way you can remove a video from your general profile section without losing likes. However, if you actually delete the video, then the likes that you have gained on the particular video will be removed as well. There is no other method to remove or delete a video without losing likes. I hope you found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for further videos.